Oh.
I can't do it.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Keep going. It's
Hey. I can't. Start again.
So for year 12, I decided that the method that I was going to approach was having one big binder for all my subjects. So I would take to school a binder which had English, biology, music and maths, and for drama I had to have a separate visual arts book. But so in this binder I would take it to school, I'd write all my notes, I'd put all my slips in it, and then I'd take it home, I'd study off it. But then at the end of the term, as you can see at the back here, I'd have a biology, English, maths and music binder, and drama is separate. And then I would transfer all my notes from that term into that binder. So eventually by the end of the year, I'd have 4 or 5 different binders with all my notes per subject at the end. So this would make it easy just to separate all your notes into one place. And then for my study notes, what I would do is I would study off the binders at home, or I would study off my binder that I'd take to school. So mainly I would come home, I'd have my big binder with all my subjects in it. I'd flick to the page. This was my biology study book. It's just a simple little book I got from Officeworks. And as you can see, I really liked my highlighting, I liked pictures, I liked to put everything in it. So basically I came back from school, I got my bio binder out, the big one, and I'd look at in the notes, okay, we're talking about the chain of infection today. And so I'd look at my notes from my class, I'd look at my textbook notes, I'd look at some other sources, and I just condense it all into one study book. And so that's what I had for biology, and I do the same for each other subject. So I had a music study folder, I had a math study folder, and English study folder. So I didn't have like one big study book with everything in it. I based it onto each subject to make it more clear and concise.